Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, install the necessary system dependencies by running the following command. Now switch to the Postgres super user with the next command. We need to create the database, user, grant all privileges to this user and alter the schema. This will fix permission handlers specific to Postgres. Now, download the Mattermost with the next command. Extract the compressed archive and place the application folder into the system or optional software directory. Create a non-privileged system user and grant the Mattermost user the rights to read and write its own files with the next command. Now we need to edit the core setting. Run the following command to edit this. Be attentive about drive name and data source. Points Mattermost to the Postgres database we created. To ensure Mattermost starts automatically on boot, we create a system service file. Run the next commands. This command notifies the system of the new service file, sets the app to run on start and starts it right now with the next command. Now we need to set Nginx as reverse proxy. Run the following command to create the web server configuration. Pass the following configuration and don't forget to change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Now we need to activate the site configuration, verifies that there are no errors, and restart the Nginx. Now go into your web browser, use your domain name or server IP address. You need to create the admin account. Give the name of your organization. Choose what tools do you use. And if you want, you can invite your teammates right now. Now Mattermost is installed and you can start working with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.